Let's explore the island province of Camiguin and visit one of the major tourist spots of the island. Santo Niño Cold Spring, located at Catarman, Camiguin Island, Philippines.
Please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting
Santo Niño Cold Spring is set beneath Mt Hoibok Hibok, which is surrounded by the dense of coconut forest and beautiful garden, creating an ultimate jungle vibes.
Don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. I'm gonna leave.
Santo Niño Cold Spring is a natural cold spring that flows down from Mount Mambajao and filtered by layers of minerals from the mountain. Take a dip and relax in their large pool with natural spring water surrounded by natural scenery.
I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar.
The waters in Santo Niño Cold Spring is a vibrant turquoise color and irresistibly inviting.
If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind. Find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I don't wanna be dragged in a box. I just wanna go my own way. 'Cause I am on my way. 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 I am on my way.
So, what are you waiting for? Come and visit Santo Niño Cold Spring at Catarman, Camiguin Island, Northern Mindanao, Philippines. Join us in our next adventure and plan your travel goal with MJ Travel and Tours and Transportation Services.